Hi all, welcome back to the session. In previous session we completed in applications of trigonometry exercise 12.1 up to 4 problems. Now let us see next one, that is fifth problem. I'll read out that problem first. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Here we want to find what? Length of the rope. And here we want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of how many ropes here? 3 ropes. First visualize the problem here. That is here. This is a pole. I am taking this is A and this is B. This is what? 10 meters height. This is what? 10 meters height. And we want to erect this pole with the support of how many ropes? 3 ropes here. That is, assume that here these are the 3 ropes. This is one rope and this is another one, second rope. And let us draw the third rope here. This is the third one here. Now, and here it is given what here? Each rope has to make an angle here 30 degrees. Here it is what? 30 degrees. This is 30, 30, 30. Each rope has make an angle 30 degrees. And we want to find what here? What should be the length of the rope? We don't know the length of these ropes here. This is x meters and I am taking this is also x and this is also x. If you observe this diagram here, this is what? This here I am taking this as C and this is D. ABC is what? Right angle triangle. Now this is what? This is the hypotenuse here. Now with this angle, this is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side. Related to this hypotenuse and this adjacent, what is the trigonometric ratio here? That is cos. Now here, let us see, this is fifth one. Here AB is equals to pole here. That is what? How many meters here? 10 meters. Now this x is what here? Length of the each rope. Length of the each rope. Length of the each rope is equals to x meters. Now what is here? I am taking what? Cos theta. Cos theta is equals to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by, that is adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Now cos theta. Here theta value is what here? 30 degrees. That is cos 30 degrees is equals to adjacent to theta. This is the angle here. Adjacent to 30 degrees is what? This is AB. And hypotenuse is what? AC. AB by AC. Now from the trigonometric values, cos 30 degrees is equals to what? This is sin 60. That is sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2. Now AB is equals to what here? This is 10 meters. 10 by AC. That is length of the rope is equals to what here? X. From this by cross multiplication here, 10 into 2 equals to what? 20. Here x into root 3. That is x into root 3 is equals to 10 into 2. Now from this, x is equals to 20 by root 3 meters. Now we want to find what total length of the rope. That is, we are having how many ropes here? 3 ropes. Therefore, total length of the rope is equals to, we are having 3 ropes, that is 3 into, here each rope is equals to what? Each rope length is 20 by root 3. Now 3 into 20 by root 3. That is, how can you write here 3? Root 3 into root 3 into 20 by root 3. Here root 3 cancelled. Now it is what? Here root 3 value is what? 1.732. 1.732 into 20. Now simplify this one here. That is 1.732 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 2 2s 4, 2 3 6, 2 7s are 14. Here it is what? 2 1s are 2, here 3. Now it is what? 0, 4, 6, 4, 3. That is after the 3 digits, that is 34.64. That is 34.64 meters is the total length of the rope. Next, sixth problem. I'll read out first. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? That is here. Here it is a building. AB is a building and this height is what here? 6 meters height. This is AB is a building. Now you are at the top of the building and you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building to the ground. That is, you are shooting an arrow when you are shooting from the top of the building to the arrow, your eyesight is like this. That is the horizontal line. That is, this is your eyesight here. Now it makes what? An angle of depression. This is what? Angle of depression. That is, this is the line of sight and this is the horizontal line. This is angle of depression. That is what? In given problem, it makes an angle 60 degrees. This is your target is C here. This is the ground. Your target is at the ground. This is C. Now it is what we want to find here. The distance between you and the object. You are here and the object is here. And we want to find the distance from A to C. Let it be X. Let it be X. Now we are having what here? This is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Now this is what? Angle of depression is 60 degrees. Now change it into angle of elevation. That is, this is the angle of elevation. That is, angle of depression is equals to angle of elevation at the ground level. Angle of elevation at the ground level. Now AB is equals to what? Height of the building. Height of the building is equals to AB is equals to 6 meters. This is what? AC, that is the distance from A to C. We have to find out this X value. And here it is what? Angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation. Now, this is the angle. Opposite to this angle is what? This is opposite to the angle. This is the adjacent to the angle and this is the hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio related to the opposite and hypotenuse here? Sine. That is sine. That is sine theta is equals to what? Opposite to theta by hypotenuse. That is sine theta value is what here? 60 degrees. And opposite to theta is what? AB. And hypotenuse is what here? AC. AB by AC. Sine 60 value is what? From the trigonometric values, root 3 by 2. And AB. AB is what here? 6 meters. And AC is equals to what? X. That is the distance between you and the object. Now, x into root 3 is equals to x into root 3 equals to 6 into 2. 6 into 2. From this, x is equals to 6 into 2 by root 3. That is x equals to, this 6 I am writing as 3 2s are 6. That is 3 into 2 into 2 by root 3. I am writing this for cancellation of root 3. Now, from this x is equals to, here 3 we are having, again this 3 I am writing as root 3 into root 3, and here it is what? 2 into 2, that is 4 by root 3. Here root 3 cancel. Now x is equals to what? 4 into root 3, that is 4 root 3. Now x is equals to 4 into here 1.732. Now multiply this here. X is equals to 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 12 only here. Now 4 7s are 28, that is 29, 4 1s are 4, it is 4 plus 2 6, that is 6.928 meters. 6.928 meters is what? The distance between the you and the object. Distance equals to x equals to, that is AC here. AC is equals to what? 6.928 meters. Next, 7th problem. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use when he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground? What will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole also? That is here. First we have to take a pole here. This AB is a pole. This total height is what here? 9 meters. This is total height of the pole is 9 meters. And a person wants to do repair work on the pole here. And here from the top of the pole to an electrician reach to here, that is at 1.8 meters below. 1.8 meters below. Here. That is here I am taking, this is C. Hey, that is here, this AC is 1.8 meters. Total height of the pole is 9 meters. To do repair work, an electrician reach to this place from the top of the pole, and this is 1.8 meters. And the person is used to ladder to climb the pole. This is the ladder. And now we have to find out this length also. This length. Now, and also we have to find out the distance from the foot of the ladder to the foot of the pole. This is D. We have to find out the distance. I am taking this as D. And this length of the ladder also. This is the ladder. This is I am taking X. When he climbs up, it makes an angle is what? 60 degrees. 60 degrees. By observing this here, we have to find out which values CD and BD values. Total length of the pole is 9 meters. That is AB is equals to 9 meters. And AC equals to what? 1.8 meters. What about BC here? That is BC is equals to AB minus AC. That is AB value is 9 and BAC is 1.8. 9 minus 1.8. That is 7.2 meters. 7.2 meters. This is 7.2. Now, if you observe this triangle here, this is the angle, this is the opposite to the angle, and this is the adjacent to this angle. And this is what? Hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio related to these two? This is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse. That is trigonometric ratio is what? Sine. Let us see here. This is 7th problem here. From the figure here, BC equals to 7.2 meters and CD equals to X and BD equals to D. Now, we have to find out this CD value and BD values we have to find here. If I am taking this as sine theta, then this is opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Here theta value is what? 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equals to opposite to theta. Opposite to this 60 degrees is what? BC. And the hypotenuse is what? CD. BC by CD. What is BC value here? 7.2. And CD equals to X. And sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2 is equals to 7.2 by X. In CD plus it is X. Now by cross multiplication here, X into root 3 is equals to 7.2 into 2. Now what is X equals to? 7.2 into 2 by root 3. Now X is equals to, again this 7.2 I am writing here, 3 into 2.4 I am writing, because for cancellation of root 3 I am writing this as 3 into 2.4 into 2. Without changing this 7.2 original value, I am writing this as 3 into 2.4 by root 3 as it is. Now X is equals to, this is what? 3 into, this 3 I am writing again root 3 into root 3. This is root 3 into root 3, and here 2.4 into 2 means 4.8. 4.8 by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 cancel. Now X is equals to root 3 into 4.8. Root 3 into 4.8. That is X equals to root 3 value is 1.732 into 4.8. Into 4.8. Now X is equals to, multiply these two, 1.732 into 4.8. Here rough part, that is 1.732 into 4.8. That is 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 here 25, 8 7s are 56 plus 2, 58, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 5, 13. Now with 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now it is 6 and 13, this is 11, This is 13 and this is what? 8. Now x is equals to what here? 8.3136 meters. This is 8.3136 meters. Now we completed what this x means. This is the length of the ladder only. And next we have to find out this d value also. D means what? This is the distance from the foot of the pole to the foot of the ladder. That is, here if you observe this here, CD and this is BC and BD here. This is what? This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. What is the relation? That is the, what is the trigonometric ratio related to opposite and the adjacent here? Tan or cot. If I am taking here tan, now it is what? Tan 60 degrees is equals to, that is tan 60 degrees is equals to, from this figure, BC by what? BD. That is 7.2 by, this is what? D here. Now tan 60 value is what? Root 3. Root 3 is equals to 7.2 by D. From this D is equals to 7.2 by root 3. Again this 7.2 I am writing as here 3 into 2.4 by root 3. That is D equals to 3 into 2.4. That is I am writing again this 3 is root 3 into 2.4 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Now D is equals to what here? Here I am writing D is equals to root 3 into 2.4. Root 3 value is what? 1.732. Substitute that value. 1.732 into 2.4. D equals to, now we have to multiply 1.732 into 2.4. I am doing here 1.732 into 2.4. First with 4. 4 2s are 8. Here 4 3s are what? 12. 4 7s are 28 plus 1 here it is 29. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. And next with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 here 3. 8 and this is what? 6. And this is what? 15 here and this is 11. Here it is 4. That is 4.1568. This D is equals to 4.1568 meters. This is the distance from the foot of the pole to the foot of the ladder. And this is what? This is the length of the ladder. That x value is 8.3136 and this is, the distance is here 4.1568 meters. By this I am ending the today's session and next we will discuss the remaining problems in the next session.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.